Here we go. I'm taking a look at the pre-market gap up on the Nasdaq comp. We have a few. The summer rally is in play. The summer rally started last week from the extreme bottom to the 5-day up move that we had across the board. All of those updates are on stockmarketfunding.com. Lots of bears, lots of bulls, lots of iShares, lots of different type of ETFs, lots of things that were gone on over in the training. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Google had an upgrade. Baidu is doing something with Microsoft. Sinocorp, once again, another Chinese ADR that was oversold, been traveling in its bull rally all the way back up. Baidu, that got down to $114 a share, ticking right now at 146. Okay, so that's the gap up. As far as the gap open down goes, we've got NTCT. We could have some things here that are news related. Some of these we don't cover, but once again, you have about 4 gap down, 1.00 or higher on the Nasdaq comp. Now, when we talk about the trading ranges, once the summer rally started last week, because we always have yearly seasonality summer rallies. So the markets had sold down. They corrected from early May, where we said they would. We put the bottoms in equities. Equities have leveraged back up. The bulk of the move was done in a 1-week period. We hadn't seen that for 2 years. You'd have to go back to 2009 when we were first coming up out of the rallies to see that kind of move that we had last week, because there was a period there early on in that bull rally that we had something very similar to last week, and you'd have to go back to those time and dates to know. So when summer rallies start, seasonality, we have the jobs report coming out on Friday. Then we have the earnings season kicking off July 11th. Equities will have a harder time breaking through their resistance levels. What does that mean? It means that they'll take a pass at the resistance level, then they're going to fade back. Do not expect them to collapse off of the high. They will end up holding their lower support levels and bounce and consolidate the previous summer rally, 5-day summer rally gains that they currently have. The austerity with Greece and all of the other stuff is on hold. The gap up and the amount of movement that happens in summer rally, there'll be a point in time where they will hit a ceiling where they will get extremely overbought. We were short-term extremely oversold. Summer rallies in play. Stocks will hit their resistance levels. At that point, they will fade back for a quick trade on a short. Don't overstay it, because if you do, they're going to bounce off support. If you don't take your profits quickly and you think the markets are just going to collapse, we're not in that. We are in a bull mode versus a bear mode. It's very important to understand that.